Mexican salsa, yes.
Mexican salsa, yes. Mexican salsa, yes.
You look like that weird kid at church. That,
Shut up! I'm hanging out at the teen club. No, that was weird. Wait. That was weird. Wait.
Are you ladies done chattering?
Oh my God. Is this straight? Do not encourage him like that.
Size matter, but different.
Why didn't mine go through Google Translate?
PP Shink Ray, size matter.
You don't come here for smart.
The kangaroo came and swam up my pee hole. It took 4 other blokes to pull it out. They were going at it like a blowgun. But in reverse. I seem to have an unsucked Johnson. My Johnson's gone unsucked.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Queer little creatures, and gay to be certain too. That was my experience listening to Frankenstein. They're like, he was a queer fellow, and I had a gay time walking with him. I was like, okay, okay, Mary.
Oh my God.
I've recently stopped breastfeeding. Yes, it was difficult, but I would cut it with brandy. And after 3 years of trying, I was kicked off the breast entirely and am now entirely on a liquid brandy diet.
This is not fair. This is not fair, babe. This is not fair.
All
right. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
How do you feel about someone leaves? Oh wait.
When
When
it
it comes
comes
to
in.
being organized.
Why are they in their 70s? Like,
They are.
They really are.
There was a lot of objections.
Oh my God. That's crazy.
oh my God, you're shorter than I thought.
Guys, I forgot.
no! Angela!
I knew it.
Angela!
I
I finished screaming. I'm like, I'm done. And then in that exact moment,
Holy shit!
in that exact moment, no clothes, no nothing. I'm out of there. Come in. 3, 2, 1.
16!
A woman walking her dog's like, oh, I shit myself.
That's a lot for me to do.
Counter in.
3, 2, 1.
What the?
Angela?
Angela! Angela!
Single.
I heard the log hit the net.
This is crazy. Shayne is.
Wow. That is the nastiest thing I have literally ever heard in my life. I will never sleep again. You are disgusting. A log in the net? That is so f***ed up.
My kids poop their pants all the time. It's fine.
No, I didn't poop my pants.
If you want, I can wash your pants.
log hit the
Deal with
net.
that.
For my son.
Christine.
Okay, let's seriously.
For my son.
Cock.
Stop! For my son. Crunch. For my son.
Okay.
You're done?
You're gonna stand here in front of cameras and say that you love Mater? Go ahead.
Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. The gauntlet.
No!
Oh my God.
I don't know what Angela's feeling, but I'm on her side.
Oh my God, Shayne.
What's wrong with me?
when the car's right at Disneyland, she cries when she sees it.
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with him?
He's good. He's good. He's good. He's good. So, you know, you've seen the issue here. It's not Reuben. I wish I could him faster. So, what's the solution? It's Reuben.
I beat your ass to it. I beat your ass to it.
It's Reuben. Reuben's here to help. Reuben.
He's in pain, Shayne.
Reuben's like, wait, what? Yeah, Reuben. He'll help you figure out that whole situation. Sure.
He's crying. He's crying.
Delivery. Look at me, Shayne. Look at us. You're crying. Shayne.
I'm grateful for Alex Tron for doing incredible work while balancing 2 jobs, directing at Smosh and being a cartoon character in the show Doug.
Oh my God! You murdered them! I'm not gonna laugh at this.
Had to. Wait, you just had to. Wait, that's real.
Wait, really?
Wait, that's real?
Wait.
Guys, I can't believe I did that. That's probably the hardest.
I've never seen him like this.
It's probably the hardest.
Dude, do you know how hard I laughed when I'm going through recordings and I go, what is this? And I sent a message to myself 4 years later and I farted. Do you ever?
That's the hardest you guys have laughed.
I can't.
Oh, I can't.
Oh, dude, it's so stupid.
Oh my God. Why did you do that?
I